In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Chrome Auto Sign-In and how to turn off Google Chrome Auto Sign-In as well. So now just go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser, and in order to turn it off, just go ahead, click on the 3 points that's located at the top right, as you can see right now. Then go ahead, click on Settings, and then after that, just make sure you're on the You and Google job. After that, just go ahead, click on Sync and Google Services. So just go ahead, access it, and now you can turn off Allow Chrome Sign In. So after you turn it off, you will not have the auto sign in. So now just go ahead, click on it to disable it. And after you do that, the Google Chrome Auto Sign In will be turned off, as you can see. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.